name is Joy Horman and I work for the Deer Run Library, which is part of the St. Charles City County Library District. Today I'm going to show you how to do a cute pumpkin makeover with a few easy supplies. Here is a list of the supplies you will need for this project. For the pumpkin makeover, you'll need an artificial pumpkin, white craft paint if the pumpkin is orange. You'll need decorative paper napkins, Mod Podge, a container for the Mod Podge, a paintbrush or foam brush, scissors, saran wrap, and ribbons or raffia. So next, after you gather your supplies, what you'll do is spread out some paper so you don't put your work area dirty. And then you're going to select some of your napkin that you're going to use on the project. I picked some of these napkins up with a coupon at Michael's. You can find them at Party City or Walmart, or after the holiday season, sometimes they're 50% off. The same thing with the pumpkins, you can usually find those 50% off as well. So after you select your napkin, you want to make sure that you rip it apart and only use the paper part that has the words on it. So you just want to rip it apart like that, very gently, so that you don't tear it. Once you get that finished, you're going to cut a little hole in it for the stem of the pumpkin. And you can also make some other cuts in it so that you can spread it out more evenly over the pumpkin. So you're going to take your pumpkin and you're going to take your Mod Podge and spread it over the pumpkin. You can do a little bit at a time, or you can do the whole pumpkin. It's really up to you. I like to move at a slow pace, so I just do a little bit at a time. So then I take my paper or my napkin and I put it over the pumpkin. Make sure you don't spread on your Mod Podge too thickly because you don't want your napkin to tear. I saw this online. If you use saran wrap, for one thing, you don't get your fingers sticky, and another thing, it helps to smooth out the wrinkles in the pumpkin. So once you get your whole pumpkin glued on, or your whole napkin glued onto your pumpkin, you're going to let that dry for a little while. I took mine and set it in a cup so it was upside down, and after it dried for a little while, then I went ahead and put Mod Podge on the bottom of it and started my bottom section. And you can just take part of the napkin and cut it to fit it however you need to make it work. I also cut off the edges of this so that you didn't see this border. Okay, so once you get that finished, then you're going to go ahead and cover the whole napkin with the Mod Podge one more time, and then you'll let it dry. After that, once your pumpkin is all dry, then you can go ahead and add embellishments to the stem. You can add like cord or ribbons, decorate it however you like. And the best thing about this is you can use it year after year. It won't go bad. And I hope you enjoyed this class. And make sure that you check out other classes that we have on our events calendar. Just go to www.mylibrary.org and look for our calendar of events. And again, my name is Joy Horman from the Deer Run Library. Thanks for joining me today.